Here is our house, and here is the miniature house that we're building to basically look just like ours. Welcome back to another town build video or update. We are extending the town. Logan's been wanting to do this video for a while now, haven't you, buddy? We are making it bigger. I'll give you like a little bit of a tour of the town. We've got our rock quarry over here. We've kind of got our bridge with our overpass over here. RV park, Ford dealership, Denny's over here, gas station. And we've got a lighting system on this thing too. And then this is the original OG town that we built. It's
Liam's town.
Yeah, Liam's house. Oh yeah, this is Liam's house. He just likes cars. You got a lot of stuff going on over here, buddy.
This is my house.
We've got our warehouse over here.
That's all my cars that I store.
You store those at the warehouse?
Yeah, I store each one at the warehouse. And then this is all my other cars.
And this is your house over here?
Yeah, I store them in there so it doesn't look like Liam's house. Right here is just all Mustangs.
Is it?
Yeah.
It looks like you guys got a little Mustang meet going on over here at Denny's. What's up with that?
Yeah, I know.
Mustang dealership over here. There used to be a bunch of Mustangs over here at this dealership.
They bought them all.
They bought them all?
Yeah.
That notch is looking pretty sweet. Junkyard over here. We have a big backdrop. You guys probably seen them in previous videos, but ever since we relocated the town down here in the basement, because we wanted to expand it and make it bigger, the backdrop is actually in that tube up there. We're gonna eventually get it back here up against this wall. We've got a lot of stuff that we want to do, and then we've got cases with cars, boxes with cars. We've just got cars everywhere.
Yeah, I think we need a bigger backdrop.
Got more garages. We've got more buildings that we've bought. Over here we've got like a 7-Eleven building that we're gonna add to our next town. And we've got a Starbucks over here when we start expanding. It's kind of cool. We've got our Racer's Edge. Got some more houses over here that we're gonna add to the town. We've just been kind of setting them up here. They're temporary, like taped together. So we're going to build like a neighborhood area so we can have a housing development, because we've got a bunch of like industrial stuff, so now we need a housing development. What do you think?
And we have a whole table that's just our property.
Oh yeah, you want to show them our house? So those of you guys that follow the channel and watch our other regular videos, you may recognize our house and our garage. And I'll just throw it up here just in case you haven't seen our other videos. But this whole table right here is going to be our property. So we are building a complete replica of our actual house and our garage.
I think we need like 10 more tables.
Yeah, we're going to need a lot of space. But right here is our house so far. Here's kind of the footprint. I'm just now starting here. Got all of our windows. I mean, this is a lot of detail. All this is all 3D printed. So this is going to look just like our house when it's all done. And we have our exact garage to scale. We've got the lean-to that's going to go on it too. And then we've got the cupola on top. Here's some roof pieces for our house. Here's some more pieces as part of the deck. There's a lot of pieces to this. We've got the forgotten C10 right here. Yeah. We'll have that sitting here on the property. Oh yeah, we got the 68 Camaro too. It's up there in the case. And then we'll even throw in the Fast and the Furious Eclipse. What do you think, buddy? Is it going to be cool? Yeah, it's going to be pretty wild once this is all done. And what I want to do is do its own backdrop here with our actual mountain scenery in the background. Just wanted to kind of give an update on the town, kind of show you guys what we got going on, because a lot of you guys really enjoy these videos. What do you think? You guys want to play cars now?
Yeah.
Now that we showed them what we did, what we got coming? And then what I'm going to do is we're going to build this, but we just wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek of this. But let's play. Since we're playing, Liam, which car is mine?
The blue Foxbody.
So this is me right here. So right now I'm staying at the campground. This is where I'm living temporarily until my house is built. So after my house is built, what did you say?
I'm gonna live with you.
You're gonna live with me? Why?
I'm coming to visit you.
Hold on, do you got the same fox body as me? Is that the same fox body as mine?
No, mine's faster.
Hold up, how is yours faster?
Because mine has a coyote swap.
No, it doesn't. Does it really? Mine's stock? Oh man, mine is stock. So you say that one's coyote swapped?
Yeah.
You say that thing's got a coyote swap in it?
And Liam does too.
Oh, Liam's got a coyote swap. Hold on, how come all you guys got... Logan and Liam both got coyote swaps and I'm stuck with the stock motor. How come I'm stuck with the stock motor?
I don't know.
I see what you guys... So they basically gave me this car and then told me this was me and we all get to drive Foxbodies, but they get the coyote swapped ones.
And mine's tubbed.
Yours is tubbed. Oh, look at that. I'm over here with the stockies. Now I gotta upgrade. Hold on. Liam, where's your headlight?
I floored it and then it disappeared.
You floored it and it disappeared?
Yeah.
How would it disappear?
Because I went too fast.
Yeah, so while my house is under construction over here, I'm gonna stay over here at the RV park for a little bit. But in the meantime, I'm gonna be on Bookface Market looking for another Foxbody. Yeah, so I'm gonna take a ride on down here to this dealership because I know that they got some pretty sweet rides down there. I'm gonna see what they got. Oh, you passing me on the double yellow.
I'm gonna go in front of you.
You're going in front of me?
Yeah.
I'll follow you. You show me the way. So right here at this OK Used Cars, I'm gonna pull in over here. See, you guys are all coming with me?
Yep.
That ruby red notch looks sweet. Let's see what motor's in this.
Same one you got.
Oh, it looks like it's stock too.
Yeah, it's the same one you got.
Darn it. Okay, I see a white notch over here.
This one's stock.
Ooh, it's tubbed though. Look at that. It's got a tub on it.
Yeah.
Let's see what motor's in that. Oh, it's stock too.
I knew it was stock.
You knew it was stock?
Yeah.
All right.
That's Liam's old Mustang.
That was your old one?
Yeah, he sold it.
Why'd you sell it?
Because it was stock.
Oh man. I mean, I could go for something newer. That's got a coyote in it. What do you think? I think I'm gonna keep looking. I'm gonna head out of here. I'm gonna just take a ride. Ooh, what's going on over here? I could get a Supra.
No.
I think I'll stick with the Mustangs, but I'm gonna go run over here, grab me a bite to eat.
How's it going, babe?
Building. There's a lot of stuff to this, and you gotta take your time gluing it. I've got basically all the base and all this, because when I showed everybody before, everything was just kind of like taped.
And you got your garage over there, that's already done.
Yeah, the garage is it was one print. I mean, and it's actually a true 124 scale, or I mean not 124, 164 scale, because it's an actual three-car garage. Because technically, that's what our house is, but remember when we had the lift in there?
Yeah, there wasn't room.
The lift was like centered. You know, I had all my toolboxes and everything on the wall, and then we'd have a car and just junk over here, junk all around the walls. The roof is so complex. Oh my gosh, there's so many pieces.
Remember Clint said how crazy our roof was when he built our actual house?
Right. All right, so we're over here. We're shopping for a new car. Let's see what we can find.
I found this car.
What did you find? That's so cool. It's got a little blower on it. 69. Dude, like, this is the first time I think I've seen our Walmart stocked.
Can I get these?
We got one rule in the Joyride family. You can get these only if you tell me what they are.
A Viper and GTR.
All right, you're allowed to get them. See, that's the rule in the house. You know what that is?
A Bugatti.
Yep. See, that's the rule. When you come here to look at toy cars, they have to tell you what the car is, because it avoids us from buying stuff like this and all like the weird stuff that you don't know what it is. So you keep like real cars in your car collection, and it helps you guys learn your cars. You ready? Well, since we're at the store, we got to pick up paint for the house that we're building. So the boys are helping me pick out paint colors. We got to find paint to match the house. So we're gonna need a green, a tan color.
This green?
I think it might be more like this green.
Don't we have like 2 shades of green now?
No. You think it's like that one?
I mean, these two are pretty similar. This one's
I
just
think-
glossy and that one's not, so that's better.
I think it's
Yeah.
satin.
So you think this one?
But this one's good too.
Yeah, that one is.
But the
What
garage
color
is
is
like
this called?
Gray.
And we need a primer. So now we need bronze for the roof. This is too dark.
It's This white primer.
Yep, that's white primer. We need that too.
Okay, put it in the cart, ma'am.
So we got toy cars and paint. That's it. Okay, so here is our house, and here is the miniature house that we're building to basically look just like ours. Basically got it all glued together. Where's our paint, buddy? Let's see if all this paint matches up.
Yeah, close.
Yeah, I mean, that's pretty close. I mean, it may be a little shade darker, but
Nobody's gonna notice.
yeah, I think we're gonna be good. What do you think?
Can we paint now?
This right here, it's kind of got like a textured feel to it.
For the roof.
Yep, that's gonna be the shingled roof. Let's check this on the garage, buddy. Let's see this. Dude, that is like spot on. It's exact. This is pretty close too, but it's got like that hammered finish. This is actually a lot darker than I thought. So that darker one that we saw at the store, we may go back and get it.
Wow, that is.
Isn't it?
But it just needs to be a little darker. Mama, I want to climb
Who picked that one out?
Who did pick that one out? Was that one you, buddy? All right, so we got everything ready for paint. You guys ready?
Yeah.
All right, paint.
How do you open it?
I'll let you paint. Liam's never painted. He's really excited. He wants to paint. We got to get you a mask first, okay?
I can't let Mama see.
Right, because Mommy didn't want us to let you paint. We're going to only do one of these at a time to keep track of everything. There's your mask, buddy. Put that on so you can get ready and paint. You ready to do this, buddy?
Mm-hmm.
Let me just test this thing out. All right, so when you do it, you want to just do light coats like this. Look. Can you push it? Practice right there. Push it. On you. That's good. Light coats, perfect. It's better to do multiple light coats than a one heavy coat. Don't get too close to it. We'll probably hit like another coat of primer on this. Don't get too close. Don't get too close. Yep. Good job, buddy. All right. Don't let it stay in one. Good job, buddy. That's awesome. Here, let me move this building. He's got those tiny hands, so he can actually get in there and tape up them walls. So we're just trying to tape up the back wall on the garage. Logan's taping up his back wall because we want to leave it white. Because I'm gonna try to get a Joyride sticker and put it on there to match ours. So the boys decided they wanted to go ride the go-kart, and then I'm gonna just go ahead and tackle the house. Liam painted the garage.
Liam did?
Yeah, he did good. And then Logan, he got this all taped up and he kind of got that line. Look at that. Look, I mean, he's good. I'm impressed. Like, Logan did all that tape because I could not fit my hand inside the garage, and he kind of taped it up to kind of give us that line like how our actual garage has, and we're gonna try to paint it to look like our garage. And then I'm gonna try to get a Joyride sticker to go on that back wall.
My go-kart a little faster.
You want your go-kart faster? You better ask Mommy. He keeps asking me to make his go-kart faster. But wow, it turned out all right. Yeah, I think Laura was right. It does kind of look like a witch house with it all gray. So now we're actually gonna hit the garage. And this is the tan clay color. Probably gonna take about a day or so to dry. It's a textured multicolor like finish to it, so it'll look good for the shingles. And that's pretty much kind of match ours. Got the clay already in the gables. The garage is pretty much painted. There's a few little spots I need to touch up on that. Peel all this off and see how much overspray I got. I got some right there. But that doesn't matter because we're repainting over this anyway. Let me get this off and I will show you what we got. I'm trying to hold the camera and do this at the same time. A little bit of overspray right there, but it doesn't matter because this hasn't been painted yet, so we are good. Got pretty much the entire roof, everything taped up that I don't want green. Well, since we're waiting for paint to dry, Logan and I, we're gonna pick up where we left off. We're gonna get back to playing. Still on the hunt. I don't know if I'm gonna sell this one or keep it, but I think what we're gonna do, we're gonna start a project, Fox. What do you think? We're gonna head over here to the gas station.
Somebody was trying to race you there.
At the gas station?
Yeah.
Well, let's go over there and see what's up. Pull in.
I can park right here.
There we go.
Actually, I'll park right here.
So who called me out? Was it this guy?
No, it's the Camaro.
This guy?
Yeah.
He's gonna beat me, bud.
No.
Dude, that guy's car is so much faster than mine.
Just try it.
Okay, we'll see what happens. Maybe I'm not gonna put a full tank in here, just so I got a little bit of gas. Where are we gonna take it? Highway pools?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Okay.
He's gonna follow us.
He's on the wrong side of the road. Wait, no, we're on the wrong side of the road.
Logan's right there. All right, let's go. All right, so now we're back at the house. We gotta go find a project car and we're gonna go back and beat them.
Maybe we can get one from the junkyard.
Oh, and build it? Let's do it. You going back in there?
Yeah.
We're over here scoping out the junkyard. We got the Evo. Oh, we got a Nova over here. There's all kinds of good stuff over here in the junkyard.
Yeah.
There's another Nova right here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I think I found what I wanted. What if we took this Foxbody shell? It's a notch like I want. And we build that thing.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Let's back the trailer down there, and it's right there too. It's right up front. You think you can back the trailer in there?
Yeah.
Johnny needs to move his truck.
Trying to make it. Got it.
I think you got it, buddy. Just winch it on up there. We need a hood. Oh, there's a hood over here. Let's grab this. Let's grab that cow hood right there. Where are we gonna take it, buddy?
Take it to my shop. I have the engine for it.
Do you?
Yeah, I have a Coyote swap with a turbo.
Oh, this thing would be turbo. That Camaro guy, he ain't gonna know what's coming for him. All right, so here's Logan's shop. We're backing the Foxbody up in here. He's got a dyno. You actually got the dyno right there.
Yeah.
And
I
then
haven't put it together yet.
Is that the Coyote swap right there with the turbo?
Yeah.
And we're gonna put that in there? All right, here we go. We're about to start this. We got the engine swap. We got the Coyote swap.
I'm not trying to put the engine in. Not up to me. You're drinking coffee.
Think we're ready?
Yeah. Let's go smoke him.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it.
Stay tuned in the next video. We're gonna race.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys like these town videos, there is a playlist here on the channel, so you guys can go over there, check them out. You can watch all our little town videos and let us know what you guys think of the little skits and scenarios of us sitting here playing with the toy cars, because we do this all the time and Laura's always telling us you need to record that more often because that's more entertaining than you just showing us painting and building the stuff. I want to know what you guys think, so comment that below and we will see you guys in the next video. Peace.